Hi team, thanks for showing up for your learning. Just want to show you again how great a tool Desmos is for checking your work and building your math muscles. I didn't have this when I was going through high school, and I turned out okay, but you can turn out better than me because you've got Desmos while you're learning. So let's say I have to simplify this expression, 3 multiplied by the square root of 540. The nice thing I can do is I can actually do the work in Desmos. I've been telling a lot of you, like, check these things in a calculator as you go. Okay. So I might say, well, 540, can I spot any square factors in there? Well, I could just sort of break this down. I could say this is equal to 3 multiplied by the square root of 54 times 10. And then I might say, well, 54, I think I can do that as is that 6 times 9? Oh, neat. So this is 6 times 9 times that. And then notice that the value there is the same as the value there. So I know that these are equivalent, all right? And so I might even write that this is 3 square root of, well, 6 and 10. Those both share a factor 2. So that's 2 squared. And 9 is 3 squared. And then 10 and 6, they have some leftover factors. So that was like times 15. Okay, that's looking the same. And now I might even just do this and say, like, well, let's copy that one and work from there. All right, I'm going to actually write this as multiply. I see 2 squared, 3 squared. Well, that's just 36. Now maybe I say, well, I could write this differently. I could, instead of writing the 36 there, I could write 3 times 6. Okay, and notice it's still the same thing, right? And all the way through, I'm just getting that confirmation that I haven't made an error. And the moment I make an error, I'm going to see it, and Desmos is going to be like, hey, these two things aren't the same anymore, because you're watching and you're paying attention. Then, when you go ahead and you write, okay, so this is 3 times 36 times the square root of 15. Well, no, it isn't. We went from 69.7 to 418.28. Them's different. Okay, so not 3 times 36, it's just 18 out here. It's just 3 times 6. And that's the fully simplified form. So I hope that's useful to you, and a useful tool that you can use to verify these things as you go. It's very useful for checking your square roots. And you could do it on like a standard calculator as well, or the calculator that's on your phone. Just quickly punch in the two expressions that you believe to be equivalent and see if they're the same. Anyway, bye for now, everybody.